Sige na.
Shaking words of wisdom, let it be. My hour of darkness, standing right in front of me. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Sige na.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. When the broken hearted people living in the wilderness sea, there will be an answer, let it be. For those who may be haunted, there's a chance that they will see, there will be an answer, let it be. Let it be. Let it
Yaman mo
be.
si Daddy.
Let it be. Let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be.
Tayo ka na, tayo